In the world of B2B sales, the choice between traditional methods and innovative solutions can make or break your success. Today, we are comparing hiring a sales development representative, SDR, with leveraging AnyBiz's AI-powered platform. Let's break this down across several key factors. A typical SDR works 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. AnyBiz, it works 24/7, 365 days a year, never taking a break or a vacation. An SDR can handle a limited number of prospects. AnyBiz can engage with thousands simultaneously, accessing a database of over 300 million prospects. While an SDR can personalize outreach to some extent, AnyBiz uses AI to create hyper-personalized content for each prospect, even generating custom landing pages. An SDR might use email or phone calls. AnyBiz operates across email, LinkedIn, cold calling, and even monitors your website visitors for potential leads. An SDR might spend hours analyzing data. AnyBiz processes billions of data points in real time, continuously optimizing its approach. And SDR performance can vary day to day. AnyBiz maintains consistent quality and efficiency around the clock. Hiring an SDR involves salary, benefits, training, and management costs. AnyBiz offers a predictable subscription model with no additional overhead. An SDR improves through experience over time. AnyBiz's AI constantly learning and improving, becoming more effective by the minute. Now, let's be clear, SDRs bring valuable human touch and intuition to sales processes. However, for businesses looking to scale rapidly and efficiently, AnyBiz offers unparalleled advantages. With AnyBiz, you're not just replacing an SDR, you're supercharging your entire lead generation process. You get 5,000 hyper-personalized emails sent monthly, 1,000 AI-driven cold calls, automated LinkedIn outreach and posting, website visitor detection and engagement, seamless CRM integration. In today's fast-paced business environment, AnyBiz empowers you to do more, faster and with greater precision than ever before. It's not just about replacing human effort, it's about amplifying your entire sales strategy with cutting-edge AI technology. Ready to upgrade your B2B lead generation? Experience the power of AnyBiz for yourself. Start your free trial or book a demo. To see AnyBiz in action, visit anybiz.io and step into the future of sales.